Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, access settings. Now choose connections and click on Bluetooth. After that, click on the switcher if it's not already on and tap on one of the available devices that you want to connect to. Now select pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to forget this connection, you have to click on the gear icon next to the device, choose Unpair at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, now it's disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!